Hi Pisces, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be for you guys from August 15th to the 31st. We'll be looking at your current energies, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the next 15 days over here. So while watching this, guys, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, how would you know if this is resonating? When I look at the current situation, if that works or if that is resonating, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. All right. So let's see. Let's see what's going on with you guys currently. What's going on with you currently, Pisces? Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Ten of Swords. You're tired of someone's breadcrumbing, Pisces. Now, I don't know what's happening in your situation exactly, but I see somebody offering you something and you're not exactly very happy about that. You feel you deserve better, and it's okay to feel this way because this situation has kind of drained you out quite a bit, and you are kind of feeling like giving up. You want to leave this because it's not making you happy any longer. It's draining you and it is making you feel as a sense of torture. Okay? Now, I am also seeing that you as a person, you don't feel very happy about this whole thing. You want to be alone right now, and you feel a little tired and drained. Like you could be feeling that I just can't anymore. Somehow, whatever this is being given to you is the best that this person can also offer. It's not like they are trying to cheat on you or something. No, but this is what they can give you the best, but it's not suiting you, so which is fine. Let's see what this is. What is the Page of Pentacles? Death. Yep. Okay. So maybe initially this relationship or this connection or this offer was about just flirty messages or something very small. It's become a little bigger, but that's also small for you. Like maybe this person has matured up a bit if this is to do with your love life, okay? But that's also kind of small. If this is to do with your career, then maybe initially it was like very unstable, now it is unstable. But you want something stable. It is becoming better, but that is not enough for you, is what I'm seeing. Alright? So if this resonates, let's see what you can expect in the next 15 days here. Next 15 days for Pisces. Three of Swords, Five of Swords, the Lovers, and the Devil. Okay. So I see that you will have to make some sort of a choice. this situation will become even more complicated. And I see that you will have to choose, and it is some sort of a karmic thing, I think, between the two of you. It's like whether to stay or to leave, because you know that you will not get what you want here, and the death card again. But still you're choosing to stick around. You sometimes question yourself that why am I doing this? Okay? I see you kind of deciding. You will kind of walk away from this, I have a feeling. Because suddenly you would know that this is not what you're looking for. Okay, you would know this, that this is not what I want, this is not what I'm looking for. I deserve something better, and I will go towards that better thing that I deserve. Okay? And seeing that sort of a energy set in you that, okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Alright? You will take time, of course, to understand that you deserve love. And you deserve someone who gives you something fully and does not breadcrumb you, because I started the video on that note. Somebody is breadcrumbing you here, and you kind of know now, you're kind of clear now that yes, this is breadcrumbing and it's not helping you in any way. So you are trying to leave. You're trying not too much to do anything over here. Okay, you're trying as much as, okay, fine, I mean, I'll see if this works for me, I don't know, like that sort of an energy is what I'm picking up. Alright, so if this resonates, let's see an advice for you. What is the advice for Pisces? Mending, co-create. So look, you have to be clear about what you want and what you desire, alright? And accordingly, you got to fix things in your life. There is something that you want, this I can clearly see. But you have to kind of fix certain things in your life to go closer to this co-creation. And that is what the universe is asking you to do at this point. You have to understand that when there is a need to say no, you have to say no. When there is a need to say yes, you say yes. But you have to say it. Till you don't say it, it doesn't work like that. Okay? I am seeing that you have to take a stand. Simple. The word is taking a stand, and it's taking a stand for yourself and nobody else. You have to do it for yourself. Okay? So that is what I have for you, Pisces. I hope this reading resonated. Let me know in the comments. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have 2 channels on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can have a look at both. Links are there in the description. And please keep me posted and let me know. Take care, and I'll see you. Bye.